All Signs Collective, okay, soulmate twin flames. So what can you guys possibly expect in your relationship moving forward? This is going to be for the next 48 hours, okay. So based on current energy, so this readings whichever I do should be taken from now only, okay. Like it is not like a continuation from the past reading, okay. So yeah, all about the present in the coming days. So what's currently happening in your life? What's currently happening in your life? We have one card. We have Seven of Cups. So there's lots of confusion going on. Okay, Seven of Cups usually means confusion. Some of you guys could also be having choices to make. Okay, if it's not that, I see you having a lot of doubts about your person. Okay, some of you could be also having choices to make, like regarding your work life and your love life, or it could be between your love life, as in you have to choose a person if you have multiple options. Good for you, darling, trust me. Okay, so yeah, so let's take one more card as to what's happening in your life currently. Soulmate Collective. I wish to do more of this, so please support the reading. Okay, if it resonates with you, Hermit. So right now is the time for you to go within. Okay, it is not for it's not the time for you to take fast action. Go within, reflect on all that you have gone through, so that you make a wise and the correct decision and move forward in the right direction. Okay, Hermit card is usually of thinking, contemplating, going within. Some of you might be like even wanting to take some space in your relationship, like not really wanting to open up much. You guys have gone through a lot of ups and downs that has made you or pushed you to take some space from them. A lot of drama involved with Page of Earth. Okay, so you do have an urgent need to communicate, some of you. Okay, if it's not communicate, some of you are wanting to start something new altogether. Okay, so let's take one more card as to like what do we see happening in the next few days. Soulmate Collective, please. We have a card again. So we have King of Earth in the reverse. So the problem is that whoever you're connected with isn't giving you what you want. That is commitment. Okay, there is lack of stability in the connection, lack of growth, lack of things moving forward in the right direction. You feel like this isn't going where you want it to go. Okay, King of Earth could also mean that your person is very unstable, very on and off. You can't trust this person. King of Earth usually means in the reverse means you do not trust this person. This could also mean that your person isn't very much looking forward for a commitment. Okay, so one card for, okay, we have a card already. So we have King of Fire and Queen of Fire. So some of you very much will have another option coming in. Okay, so don't stress too much about it. One card for how they're thinking about you currently. One card for how is your soulmate thinking about you currently. With King of Water, they do have love for you, man, but the love is of no good if they cannot give you what you want. That is a solid commitment, right? So yeah, with Hierophant card, it is regarding commitment. In the past, this person was way too focused on themselves, like all about their image. Okay, if they felt like you guys could not partner up due to a reason being that other people might not see you guys as the right couple, or they felt like someone was missing something, then that got in the way. Okay, they are way too conscious about their image, about their customs, about their religion. Okay, with the World card, currently there is separation. One more card as to how they're thinking about you currently. How are they thinking about you currently? One card for that, please. I'm getting a lot of code cards which tell me that some of you could be dealing with someone who's kind of having a third person, or there could be some involvement of a third party. If it's not romantic, it could be their parent or ex. I mean, that's causing issues. Okay. So we have Eight of Earth. So this person is very much, I believe, let me see the first card. Yeah, this person will want to put in effort. Okay, they are thinking about you in a long term way. Now they are thinking about you as in what if, like not like they're going to come back and give you that commitment and or propose to you. No, I see them thinking of the future, what or how the future is going to be with you. Okay, in the past you guys might have discussed something about the future, because I do see Four of Wands in the past. So you guys might have discussed of what next, or you guys always questioned of what is coming next for the two of you. With Eight of Earth, they do have the intentions of wanting to put in work or wanting to put in effort into this connection. Give me one more card as to what's the energy towards you now. Soulmate Collective for the next 48 hours. What's the energy towards you now? We have a card. Chariot card. They are wanting to make a move forward. Okay, they are very much wanting to make a move forward. Nine of Fire. I see them resisting the temptation to reach out too early. So they are coming forward, but I see them like coming forward at the right time. Okay, this may take a day. Okay, I see them majorly coming. So you may hear from them very soon, within the next 48 hours or 72 hours. Okay, one card for their intentions towards you now. One card for their intentions towards you. Soulmate Collective. What's their intentions towards you? Intentions towards you, please. Some of you could be dealing with a person who has multiple options. Okay, you are definitely that person they love, but they could also be having another practical, easier option. The problem is with Six of Water. Okay, we have Six of Water here, which fell in the reverse. So they do see this as a soulmate relationship, but something happened in the past which got them a bit pissed off. Okay, this person is very much upset with you currently. They want to come forward, but whatever conversation or whatever drama that happened with the two of you has left them a bit off. Okay, so I do feel if there was any sort of communication, you guys did discuss something regarding the future or regarding the connection or regarding whatever past history that you guys have had, and you felt like you spoke the truth. This has kind of triggered them. Okay, that has left a bad taste in their mouth. I mean, that's their fault if they are not willing to offer or willing to level up. Give me one more card as to what are they wanting to offer you currently. What are they wanting to offer you currently? They do want to like be a part of the soulmate connection that they share with you. And cards, what are they wanting to offer you currently? Okay, we have a card, sorry. With Three of Fire, they definitely want to look forward to it. Okay, this relationship, whichever you are part of, this has the potential of moving forward, but this person is taking way too much time. They are wanting to be very right about it. This person is not wanting to be a part of it if they feel it doesn't have a future. They are wanting to look forward to it, but in a very like practical, realistic manner. Okay, they are not going to want to be a part of you for the for the time's sake. If they ever offer you a commitment, it's going to be for the long run, or they are never going to offer a commitment. Okay, I'll be very honest about it. Okay, top card with Queen of Fire, they definitely have that fire burning for you. There is passion, there is emotions involved. Okay, so how do they view you now? How do they view you now? One card for that, please. Too many cards. I've kind of changed my shuffling style, so it could take some time to get that perfect card, but it's all going to be based on intuition. I want to be very like particular about my cards, the way I read it. Okay, with Ten of Fire, they view you as someone who is burdened by them now. They feel like you're eventually getting tired. You cannot deal with this. This connection has literally burnt you. Okay, it has made you go through a lot. It was always heavy, and you were that person who always kept it together. They see you as someone who always kept it together, but the problem is they know now that you are getting burdened. You're getting tired of it. Okay. Bottom card is Emperor card. In the past, you were very strong. You wanted this to last. You wanted it to go along. So you were very adamant and very particular that you make it work. Okay. With the Moon card right now, they do not know what you are up to. You might be ghosting them, or you might be trying to stay away. So how do they see you like acting on it now? How do they see you acting on it now? One card for that, please. As in like action wise. Okay. You have a card. With Eight of Water, they know that you are wanting to walk away, but you cannot walk away. So in some which way, they know that you are not completely walking off. Okay. With Four of Air, they know that if you have taken a break, it's a temporary break. Okay. So yeah, one card for their current feelings towards you. One card for their current feelings towards you, please. Soulmate Collective. How do they truly feel for you? What's their current feelings for you? Okay, we have a card. With 8 of 8, they do feel stuck on you. Even they cannot move on from you. In the past, we had 10 of Earth. So I feel for many of you, they might have discussed in some which way about the future, about like whatever relationship you guys could have in the future. Okay, I say 10 of Earth. 10 of Earth is like usually refers to stability. Okay, so there could have been some sort of discussion either about family, future commitment, or regarding finances. Okay, take what resonates. With 5 of Earth, currently they miss you a lot, but they do not feel like they are they can come and act on it, like they can come forward. So right now I see them still overthinking about you but not acting on it. They feel like something is going to stop them or something is stopping them. This is not practically true. This is all in their mind. Okay, so give me one more card as to how do they truly feel about you. Like what are the current feelings, passion wise, emotions wise, how do they currently feel about you? Soulmate Collective. We have a card. With 9 of Fire, they have always been very closed off. At the same time, they haven't really quit on the relationship or walk away from the relationship. Even if you guys took a break, it was always a temporary break, but they were never really off from you. So you both could not quit on each other. Okay, such was the intensity of the relationship. With Page of Earth, they are definitely looking forward to message you. In the past, they tried to behave single or they were trying to stay single from you. Okay, but that did not work. Okay, that clearly did not work. One card for, so what are they wanting to offer you now? What are they wanting to offer you? Soulmate Collective, please. Okay, we have a card. With 10 of Earth, for many of you, this person is actually looking forward to a relationship. But darling, to be very honest, this could take time. You know, in a general reading, I cannot promise you commitment. You know, this is not a personal reading. So, you know, I see that they are wanting to offer you something real, but it is going to come in the near future. When in the near future, I do not know, but communication is definitely coming in. Okay, so yes, one card for where this connection is possibly moving forward for the next few days. Where do we see this connection possibly moving forward? Next step. Where do we see this connection possibly moving forward? Soulmate Collective, please. I'm sorry if the shuffling has taken time, but you know, I need to feel my energy. You know, I can't just post readings for the sake of it. I've also posted a Libra soulmate personal, almost personal reading. Okay, it's general based on your soulmate, Libra soulmate only. I've not done other signs. That's up for purchase for $6. So if you want to buy that, that's up in the link. Okay, so currently with the Fool card here, I definitely see that they want to take a chance. However, they might take time, but overall I see them definitely wanting to take a move or step forward, but they are they lack that strength to come forward currently with a solid commitment. So there could be delays in them coming or wanting to come forward, but I see them wanting to come forward. Okay, majorly wanting to come forward, but they are overthinking, their insecurities, their lack of self-belief is stopping them. Okay, give me one card for what can you expect in terms of action for the next few days. What can you possibly expect in terms of action for the next few days? Okay. In terms of action, we have Wheel of Fortune. So I definitely see this going in a positive direction. Nothing negative about it, but it is going to take time. Okay, when I say take time, I don't mean forever. Okay, like it could take couple of days, a day, 2 days, but I see them coming forward towards you. Okay, with Ace of Water at the bottom of the deck, which means there is feelings. There are still feelings you both have for each other. Okay, this is not going anywhere. Okay, so let's take two messages for you based on what they're wanting to say to you currently. I request you all, if it has resonated with you and it's helping you with your journey, please consider hitting the like button. Please support the channel. Okay, all those who are wanting to buy a personal reading could go to my website or go to my email and stay connected with me, and I'll guide you further. Okay, all those who are wanting to buy the Libra extended soulmate, those who have a person, not for singles, then you can buy that, purchase that for $6. Okay, that's going to be for the month of November now until the end of the month. Okay, we have a message. Sorry, I don't have the finances. So this person definitely feels a lack, like when it comes to having to offer you or having to be a part of you. They do feel like they lack the finances. Yes, I'm responsible for this. I'm sorry. Okay, give me another message, Spirit, that they'll want to say to you currently. I want to be with you still. Okay, that's the last message. So yes, this was a reading soulmate twin flame collective, for all signs included, and this is going to be posted on a regular basis. So please support the channel. Your support, your likes, your comments, your follow, everything, your subscription means a lot. Okay, if you could also want to purchase the Libra extended soulmate, then that's up for $6. All those who are wanting to buy a personal reading could go and either email me, WhatsApp me, or get me on Instagram, and I could guide you further on the what's needed from you. And those who are wanting to donate to the channel are also open to do so. Okay, every donation counts. Whatever you are sending my way is taken as a positive always. Okay, so thank you so much for coming in, and I hope to see you soon. Cheers, darling.